What's up, guys? This is Mike Garcia from SF Raceworks, and this is RAGS to Races. So we went out to Lake Havasu City this past weekend, and we bought a very used CanAm X3, 4,000 miles. I don't think one wheel and tires matching on the thing. The seats are broken. There's a bunch of wood visors and homemade parts. We wanted to show the world that you could build a budget-friendly, safe race car and still compete with not having to do a full tube chassis or a pan car and spend, upwards of $100,000. We are gonna take this 2019 CanAm X3 with 4,000 miles and within 7 days build it into a full stock class race car. This thing needs some work. So we teamed up with a bunch of amazing industry partners to build you a safe, budget-friendly race car. We got the CanAm X3 back in the shop. Let's get it ready to race. This is the mahogany.
Sorry, the front camera got in your way.
Yeah. Dude, that thing's expensive. We're gonna be taking off these custom rock sliders and changing them out with the DRT rock slider. This will protect all your rocker and the lower end of the car, and they won't look like that.
What I'm doing here is cleaning the tubes, getting it ready to assemble on the car. So everything's all CNC mandrel bent and laser cut. So basically you go out and roll your car. We can send you a roof, we can send you a windshield, we can send you a wind diffuser. Any accessory we offer, we could just send it out to you if you mess it up.
It already looks cooler. That is a wrap on day one. We had a full teardown on the CanAm X3. Dean tacked together the full skeleton of the cage. Tomorrow we'll be doing window nets, rear shock supports, and we will be doing a full teardown on all the suspension. And we are one step closer to a race car. We're here at Inland Custom Shops in Apple Valley. We're about to mount up our brand new Method race wheels and our Tensor tires. Let's get it. Method sent us the 407 Bead grip in a matte black. Let's mount it up. Tensor sent us a regulator too. It has the same tread life as a regulator, but it is more lightweight and better performance. All right, day two on the RAGS to Races build. Day one, we did the full tear down of the stock cage, getting all the plastics off. Dean's working on the window nets. We're gonna be installing the radios, pumpers, all the PCI stuff. and tearing down all the suspension.
All right, so what I'm doing here is finishing up the window net frame. We build these basically instead of wrist restraints, it's to keep all your limbs inside the car. So it's a huge safety add-on that we offer on all of our cages. And we also use a seatbelt style latch to allow in big impacts it won't spring open or flex. So it keeps a positive latch on the car at all times.
We all know one of the most important things to racing is communication between the driver and co-driver. So Eric at 928 Power Sports hooked us up with a PCI radio and the fresh air pumper system. Let's get this thing installed.
So I just finished cutting out the console so that we can install the mounting bracket for the comms and the radio. Drill out some holes and mount it all up.
You know what's crazy about this? We got to race this in 1 week. We'll make it. We have a total of about 25 working hours to get this whole thing done, as well as another car that's going to be racing alongside us.
So Michael just blew the gears out of the wrench with an impact. That's why we keep him in the office.
You got Mike.
He's gonna be pissed.
From 64 to 72. Look how bent this is.
Is he looking at it with one eye closed, or?
It's like a banana. You don't see it?
Oh, it's pretty damn bent.
But don't worry, he spray painted it to make it look new. That's a wrap on day 2. We got 5 days till race day. We've got a lot done, but we got a lot more to do.
Stay strong.